This is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, and we just replaced this stock factory screen with our newest 12.3-inch DMP Android command screen. This new screen allows for the use of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, the ability to stream movies, download apps, and much more, all while still retaining full control of your original Mercedes features, such as your steering wheel controls, your command knob, your rear view camera, and even your factory Mercedes interface to tweak settings over time. Here at Accessories International, we're based in the United States out of Miami, Florida. We carry the full lineup of screens, we do the installations, provide the support, and even give periodic update files and boot logos as they're released to keep your screen up to date on the newest and best tech offered on the market. Now, the install into the G-Wagon is fully plug and play, and to give you an idea of how simple it is, we're about to show you the full install within 30 seconds. For a full and more detailed installation guide, check out the link we've included in the description below. Start the installation by removing the original screen with the 2 retaining screws and disconnecting it from behind. Then remove the trim panel from the radio. Remove the screws from around the radio and air vents. Then remove the air vents and their connections. Pull out the original radio and disconnect the main harness from the back of the radio. Grab your new Android harness and connect it to the back of the Mercedes radio as well as into the original harness. Then run the screen's power cables up through the 2 holes to be ready to be plugged into your new screen. Make necessary connections and then mount the screen. Once the screen is mounted, to test the functionality, you can reassemble the console and enjoy your new 12.3-inch Android command screen. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.